Hi everyone, I'm Jett from Jett and I are abducting J car and bus sections, and this is a bonus episode of Stormscapes. As you can see, I'm outside here, and it's very windy. Got quite a few inches of snow on the ground, and very windy. Winter Storm Sage, officially named by the Weather Channel. So yeah, we probably got about like 2 to 3 inches of snow. As you can see, I walked up there a little bit earlier when I was doing my walk around out talking. And actually, when I recorded one of those clips, I accidentally slipped when I was like trying to get off of the deck, and yeah, so that was not good. But yeah, still snowing a little bit out here, not really as much or hard as before, but it's gonna be windy today and tomorrow, really windy. And like with all the snow, like the wind, with all the snow and the wind, it's like creating like whiteout conditions. Ridiculous. It's very pretty though. Alright, just gotta be careful. I should be careful though, I'm just trying to hold on. Make sure I don't hurt myself. Oh. Get a nice view from back here, that'll give you a nice pan of my yard. There's the deck. Look at this way. So, yeah, very windy, pretty cold, snowy. Snow's kind of calming down. It was heavier earlier in the day. So, yeah. Get a nice pan from back here. A pan onto the street as well. The street behind my house. So, yeah, streets are overall clean. There still have been some streets I've seen today though. Since I had to go to school today, even though I probably really should have not have though, and a lot of people agree. It's like we should have not went to school today, because I mean we had delayed opening, but we really should have not went to school today though, because very snowy, whiteout conditions. Some of the back roads weren't the greatest either, and again this wind, and again the snow. It's a mess. It's pretty, but the whole situation is kind of a mess though. So yeah, gotta be careful on this part, especially when I get on my front deck here. I don't want to slip again like I did. So yeah, definitely gotta be careful on this part. There's a nice icicle that Ira stuck into the railing here, and I just broke it. There it is on the ground. Okay, so definitely be careful on this part. Now you see there's some shovels back here. Ice, snow melt. Here's the view from back here. Okay. Alright, definitely I'm gonna want to take this slow because I don't want to hurt myself again. I feel like I got something on the bottom of my shoe. I don't know, but I think you see streets pretty clean for the most part. Yeah, it's mainly just visibility and the wind at this point. And you see the wind blowing all the snow in that direction over there. There's a salt speed bump. It's not really a speed bump anymore, it's just a small little nothing now, but still. Sorry, I'd mentioned it. Yeah, here's the front of the house. Here's the 2023 Elantra. Here's the tree, nice and pretty. So, here's our garbage cans. Tomorrow's garbage day for us, so yay. But yeah, here's the front of the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely stay warm and safe out there, and I'll see all of you guys next time. Bye everyone.